So our next presenter is Diana Mounter. She works for the Local Government and Shires Association. So Diana needs your help, but she can also give you some help. Diana's going to tell you how she builds cool stuff in GIS, but she's not a GIS coder. She's not a GIS backender. She's going to explain to us how she uses you guys to help develop some cool GIS applications.
Okay, firstly I'd like to say that I haven't used any jazzy slide transitions. I've just gone for the pure format, and so I haven't cheated. As the slide, have you clicked the button? Yep. Okay. As the slide said, I work for the local government and shire association. I'm not a backender, I'm not a GIS person, so this is just a little story about what I do. A year ago, I wasn't learning much cool stuff. I was sat in my office on my own, not being able to share ideas with people. One of the map type things that came across my desk is everybody wanted image maps. They want to show information geographically in government. They want to be able to look at the map and click on it, and of course everybody wants to use a different set of regions. This, as someone supporting the site, causes me lots of problems because I have to change the CMS, and then I noticed there was a lot of features it didn't have like Google Maps had. Anyway, so luckily I started going to new meetups around Sydney, and I started learning cool stuff and learning about things that were really important. And one of the things I thought was really important was opening up data and letting other people access data. And one of those simple things was RSS feeds. And so not being a backender, I use third-party applications. But the really important thing to do here is to make something that your boss likes, so that he knows that all the other stuff is cool. Then I met other cool people who could build cool stuff, and we built this this widget for the site showing water savings in real time. And it makes people go ooh because the numbers turn around, and you're thinking, what's this got to do with maps? Well, we built a map to go with it, and the main thing was that we didn't have to spend loads of money. We used My Maps, and you could change the icons to raindrops, which made the project manager very happy. So that was really, really important and cool. Anyway, then I thought I want to share ideas with other people in local government. So a colleague and I set up a web network, and we organised a conference so that we could share ideas, because I think that's a really important thing to be able to do. And we organised this conference, and there was lots of talk about opening up data, location-based services, and about the different devices that people are accessing the web on, and what's really useful that government can provide. And someone put up this slide, and they were talking about, you know, the light would be reflecting in her phone, and I was just looking at thinking how inconvenient that she had to stop her bike and get out her mobile phone and click buttons, you know. Wouldn't it be like much more useful if she's riding her bike to be able to receive like voice updates and have an iPhone like mounted to her handlebars with the maps on, and it's giving her, she set it to give her useful information while she's riding around, like official bike routes, and where are the water fountains, because she's really thirsty because she's been riding around for hours. And then I spoke to someone who actually rides bikes, because I don't, and they told me, you know, those old drain covers are really annoying. I really want to know where they are because I keep getting my wheels stuck in them. You know, that's like useful information, and I thought, you know, it'd be good if you could report them to council. So this is the stuff we could be doing. This stuff is useful. This is like if we start like opening up. Using government data to provide these services, that would be cool. But then I thought, well, what would be really cool, because this stuff is kind of like already being built? Iron Man, of course. You're thinking, what's Iron Man got to do with maps? Well, okay, this is how my brain works. So I was watching Iron Man, and he was flying around, and he's like blowing things up, and he's got this cool tracking system, and I was like, man, wouldn't it be really cool if someone could build like an Iron Man style bike helmet that like pointed locations and you could talk to, so it would give you useful information. I mean, that's the future. And then of course then she wouldn't have to look down at the phone. So anyway, the point is, if we ever want to get to Iron Man, we've got a little bit of work to do. Government and local government, we need to start opening up our data, getting it out of things like PDFs and Excel spreadsheets. I know that there's people who have major issues with that. And we need, like, there's lots of people in this room that we can all work together. Keep the people who build apps, keep doing that, because then people like me who don't know how to build them can use them and do cool stuff with them. Tell me if you've done something cool that we can use so I can promote it to other local government people. Most importantly, build stuff that your boss will use so he lets you keep building more stuff. Build stuff that's useful, that makes people go ooh like a lava lamp. And open up your data and your maps so that other people can use it if you can't build stuff. So that's what I think is important. This is my dream. If you want to help, come and talk to me. Thank you very much.